An in-depth exploration of the chakras. The third eye, Ajna. The location of the sixth chakra is between the eyebrows, and the colour is indigo. The related organs and glands are the central nervous system, the pituitary gland, and the brain. Stones and crystals affiliated with this chakra are sodalite, lapis lazuli, Azurite, and amethyst. Associated planets are Jupiter. The chakra mantra is Ksham or Om. The direction of movement is clockwise, and the corresponding element is light. Life affirmations are: I choose to open up my psychic abilities to gain more clarity. I always manifest positive change into my life and others. I choose to only focus on positive thoughts. I wish to open my third eye so I can see better the world I inhabit. The governing attributes for this chakra are psychic abilities, an increased sense of intuition and insight, and deeply meditative. The third eye chakra, or Ajna as it is known in Sanskrit, is the sixth chakra and is feminine and connected to the throat chakra below. This is the energy centre of insight and intuition. It is where we gain our knowledge of the world from and develop new ideas and get a better understanding of situations so we can see the bigger picture as opposed to just what we choose to see at the time. Researchers, scholars, and scientists all use their perception to develop new ideas and are perfect examples of those with an active third eye. Some of us may have psychic abilities and use our third eye to help us develop our natural intuition so we can learn to interpret our dreams more accurately and understand ourselves and others better. Signs of a healthy and balanced third eye chakra are those who have a healthy, open and insightful attitude towards life. They are often very intuitive and perhaps even clairvoyant in their abilities, and often are guided to discover new information, read or study to constantly self-develop within themselves. Signs of a closed or blocked third eye chakra are those who are not open to new ideas or perspectives. They dismiss anything they do not understand and find it difficult to concentrate, getting distracted very easily. Signs of an overly active or open third eye chakra are those who are workaholics with demanding jobs and long hours. They are constantly on the go, hence finding it impossible to find the time to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Learning to rebalance the third eye chakra. First of all, slow down and breathe. Now fully concentrate on what it is that is around you and practice mindfulness when you can to improve your focus. Daily meditation will prove to be very beneficial in instilling a sense of calm and harmony.